Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza from scratch. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need 1½ cups of warm water, a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Combine these, then mix 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of salt. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry, kneading for about 10 minutes. Let it rise for 1 to 1½ hours until it doubles in size. This foundational step is crucial for a perfect crust. Now let's focus on the delicious sauce and toppings. For the sauce, simmer a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with garlic, oregano, and basil for about 20 minutes. This creates a rich, flavorful base. Next, shred 8 ounces of low-moisture mozzarella cheese. It melts beautifully. Prepare your chosen toppings, like pepperoni or fresh vegetables, cutting them into small, even pieces. Having everything prepped ensures a smooth and enjoyable assembly process. With your dough ready and toppings prepped, it's time for assembly and baking. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside for a crispy crust. Gently stretch your dough into a 12-inch circle. Spread about 1/2 cup of your homemade sauce, leaving a 1-inch border. Then, generously distribute the shredded mozzarella and your favorite toppings. This careful layering ensures every bite is perfect. The final steps bring your homemade pizza to perfection. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto the preheated stone or steel. Bake it for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly and melted. Once out of the oven, let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief rest helps the cheese set. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of Parmesan, then slice and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.